Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Android tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a straightforward yet super useful topic: how to view all the apps installed on your Android device in 2025. Whether you're organizing your phone, freeing up space, or just curious about what's taking up room, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your Android phone or tablet and make sure it's unlocked. Head to your home screen and look for the Settings app. It's usually that gear icon you can find in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top and tapping the gear. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the Apps or Applications section. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, in the Apps menu, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the apps installed on your device. This includes everything from your essential tools like Google Apps to those games you downloaded ages ago. In 2025, Android has made this even smoother with updated interfaces, so you might notice options to sort by name, size, or last used. If your phone has a lot of apps, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. Just type in the app name, and it'll pop right up. One quick tip: if you're on a newer Android version like 16 or later, you might also see details like storage usage or permissions directly from this list, which is great for managing your device's performance. But remember, the exact layout could vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer, like Samsung or Google Pixel, so don't worry if it looks a bit different. And that's it. You've now mastered viewing all your installed apps. This simple process can help you keep your device clutter-free and optimized. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.